listeners, Harika here, and I'm super excited to welcome you to UppTalk. If you're ready to learn and get your hands work wonders in the world of information technology, then you're in the right place. When I say UppTalk, we are not just another edtech company. Consider we are your learning partner committed to unlocking your full potential. Whether you're stepping into the world of technology for the first time or looking to advance your career, we provide top-tier, hands-on courses to build up your career. Let's take our first step towards learning here and explore it.
Start with the time tracking in the project. Yes. Start with the time tracking in the project. Start with the time tracking in the project. Start with the time tracking in the project. Let me change the preference. Display all resources for project as assignment. Start with the time tracking in the project. Under the preference, start with the time tracking in the project. Project Manager service item. Let's say 6-day unit course. Now it's yours. This is the same basis. Yes? See you later. Thanks. Are you sensitive? Available means that it will be built through the customer. The 5 is standard. Maybe we can change the date from, let's say, Friday. We have entered actual time. It is unwell now and it is automatically approved. Oh, earlier it was planned time and now it's actual time. Yes, it's actual time. In this particular time tracking window, you can see unbilled or billed both or, and you can see like approved. All this. Then there is another option there. Like you can have another filter which can say that it is planned or it is unwell. We have entered the time from the particular project tasks. But we can enter the time from the employees. Weekly time shift. If you want to enter for the multiple projects, we can use the weekly time shift. We have entered the 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 time shift. Now you can see if we go to the end of it is not coming as of now. Ah, what I will do, we'll go to the stack up. I found uh, I I'm going to be doing a little bit of lightning and rotism. actual. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Q. Thank you. Thank you. Because most of the organizations do not post it line. The reason is when we post it line, what happens? Let's say you are a resource in the company. You get certain salary, 5,000. Now, when we create an employee, we mention the labor cost here. Now that labor cost is mentioned on the per hour basis. When we posted time, it creates the expense in the system. Whatever time you have posted, or let's say you used to work on 180 hours in a month and you have posted all 180 hours, but that 180 hours is containing the 50 time tracking entries. There will be a 50 general entries in the system. It will become a difficult to reconcile. How much it is like posted or how much we have to enter for any employee. For the payroll related entering, we basically companies separately enter a single entry on a monthly basis. And they do not post the time, they just report the time and have that in the handle. Now let's say I will go to the related report. Exception. Project related section. No. we will go to, that is labor time. Rate is not coming, but it should. It should get picked according to the billing class. But it is not coming. We can check later. This is labor time. And what I will do, I will save it. Where is location? Location. I haven't entered. As you can see, automatically we get this. Now, if I go back to the project, this is my check. I can check the transactions and the related report. This is my invoice. The angle. What I have to do, I will go to Actions, Recalculate to Financial Data. And once we recalculate, we will go to P. And then now we have the revenue also. My course is there, my revenue is there, and we have the profit of 2. We have entered the time and we have the time also. This way you can enter the time. Let me check. Again, why it is not taking automatically. First of all, we will update the labor force. Under the employee. Under employee. It is not updated. My labor force is 50. Let's take the billing class, also billing. Which billing class has under DSC form? If Next service item also. That's the general. Move. You're going to go to this. You're done. Let me select question and enter. And this Alex. We'll go back to the project and assign tags. In this one. Assign. Now unit costs is coming automatically. Let's say unit price is not coming. Why it is not coming? Unit price. The problem is a unit price is not coming up here. Yes, it is not coming automatically. Ideally should come from the my billing class. I am entering manually, but it should automatically, fresh from the class itself. You create the class at the top using one of the top menus. No billing class I have created from the setup. Set billing classes. And it also has a billing rate card also. That is related to billing rate cards, which we are using in default order. Maybe there are two billing rate cards. That's why it is not coming. Because this one is blank. And we are using the other one. How it will identify that it will have to use that one? What we can do, we can make this No, it can be negative. No, I can't make the negative. Let me check. Try some other things. Maybe I can bill it this. And then for the default billing rate card, analysis 200. And it is 300. And it is. Now if I go to the project again, we are dedicated. Assign it. Now it is coming up. As you can see, we have answered. In the default, we have entered the price in the default billing. Like say they got a new. Like it will touch on that. I have to check. They're not. There's some. There's some. My configuration, which you need to check. Because it can happen that we can have our own billing. It's not. You say the default billing. We have to save that. It came automatically as of now. We will enter. What would you say? We are getting this estimate. It was now. And you. And the rules. Now we can enter the time for this also. To, and we will enter from the. That's and now Alex. What kind of does this? What kind of? I can't take care of myself. That's a customer. Well, with our SO work, you save that. Now we are getting this go also. I will go back to the first check again and go to the action. If I finish it off with the term, then we will go to the end. Now it is increased from 250 to 250. We can enter the time like this. And we also see how to build the time also. But related to the other charges, like the other billing normal, like project posts, other than the time and material. We will see that tomorrow. Because we have to do some. I pick the setup also. Then only we can proceed. Today we are going to have a short session. No problem. Meanwhile, you can go and like time tracking. And also try to build that site. Build the time to the customer. Build it to the customer for billing. You have to just go to the related code, go to the transaction, create the new invoice. When you create a new invoice, go to this billable time here. When you go to the billable time, you will see that. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@uptalk.com.